Bad credit got you fighting mad? It should. It's totally unnecessary. Did you know CBS News reported that 4 out of 5 credit reports have errors on them? Say, what? 4 out of 5 credit reports have errors on them. And that doesn't count legitimate derogatory credit someone may have. Did you know everything that can be done to repair your credit and build new unsecured credit can be done by you in 76 days or less? Did you know you can get derogatory items legally removed without paying them? That's right. Don't let bad credit get you down. Learn how to legally eliminate it and crack the credit repair code. What if you could legally eliminate all of your bad credit without paying it off and increase your credit score by hundreds of points and immediately build new unsecured credit regardless of your current credit score? Would that help you and change your life? Now, I know what you're thinking. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Okay, here's the deal. You don't know what you don't know. And knowledge of how to repair credit and do it legally is unbelievably powerful. In case you weren't aware, credit reporting is governed by federal law. Lenders count on you not knowing the law. Why, you ask? Because the worse your credit score is, the more points and fees and interest they can charge you. But the great news is, I've already distilled it all down for you. It's all covered in my new webinar, Cracking the Credit Repair Code. Find out what they don't want you to know. Have you ever had perfect credit? I'm going to show you how to legally eliminate derogatory accounts without paying them. I'm going to show you how to immediately get new unsecured credit without spending a dime. I'm going to show you how to catapult your credit score without attorneys or monthly fees. Now you're probably thinking, why should you listen to me? You see, for more than 20 years, my income has been dictated by credit scores. So I had to learn credit repair inside and out. I've repaired literally thousands of credit reports, including my own. And I've helped thousands of people just like you from all walks of life. Doctors, lawyers, taxi cab drivers, construction workers, you name it. I've helped people legally eliminate 28 derogatory accounts and raise their score by 191 points in only 69 days. You heard that right. I've helped people legally eliminate 28 derogatory accounts and raise their credit score by 191 points in only 69 days. And these are accounts that they had. We're not talking about errors. We're talking about legitimate accounts. And the best part? She only had to send 2 letters. The key was knowing which 2 letters to send and who to send them to. But I don't want you to take my word for it. I want you to listen to real results from real people just like you. Meet Cheryl Williams.
Hey guys, it's Cheryl Williams, and I have to be honest with you. When I first heard Vincent say that I could quickly and easily repair my credit legally, and the keyword being legally, that I could eliminate derogatory accounts off my credit report without paying for them by sending 2 simple letters, I was a bit more than skeptical. I've tried countless credit repair programs in the past, and nothing seemed to work. So with much trepidation and not a lot of optimism, I did what he said and sent the 2 letters. The results were nothing short of amazing. I legally eliminated 25 derogatory accounts and increased my scores by more than 100 points in only 37 days. I also sent the same 2 letters from my husband, and within 35 days eliminated 18 derogatory accounts and increased his scores over 100 points as well. This absolutely works, and if you're tired of living with bad credit, collection agencies harassing you, and you want to build new unsecured credit, simply sign up for the Cracking the Credit Repair Code using the link below. You'll be so glad that you did. You'll get access to the live webinar, all the necessary documents to legally remove collections, charge-offs, judgments, liens, and so much more. You'll also get access to the private Facebook group and a 30-day email sequence that will walk you through step-by-step everything so you can quickly repair your credit and build new unsecured credit immediately, like I did in less than 37 days. Imagine all the possibilities and opportunities that await you by having better credit in such a short time. What are you waiting for? Click the link below now and get ready to watch your credit score soar.
Was that awesome or what? Think about that. In less than 37 days, she was able to eliminate 25 accounts and increase her score by more than 100 points by sending 2 simple letters. Now it's your turn to learn how and take control. Can you imagine what it's going to be like to have perfect credit? To be approved for loans instantly? To no longer have to put down security deposits? To no longer be embarrassed about your credit report? How awesome and freeing is that going to feel? And you can do it. and I'm going to show you how. You're just one webinar away. So please, I invite you to join me in our Cracking the Credit Repair Code webinar. Find out what the lenders don't want you to know. You can sign up at crackingthecode.pro. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get live step-by-step training via webinar so you can immediately take action and begin sending off your 2 letters. You're going to get all of the documents we use to eliminate derogatory credit. You're going to get access to the private Facebook group where you can get support from other people just like you. You're going to get 30 days of step-by-step emails with all of the corresponding documents. So, what's the catch and what's the cost? You get all of that for the bargain basement investment of only $37 a month. And I'll even help you cover the cost. That's right. In addition to helping you repair your credit, I'm going to help you make money by helping other people. How? The Cracking the Credit Repair Code affiliate program. Here's how it works. If you've never been involved in internet marketing before, you may not understand what an affiliate program is. All you have to do is sign up to be an affiliate. It's totally free. We're going to provide you what's called an affiliate link. It's a little URL that you're used to typing into your web browser. You're going to share your affiliate link with your family, friends, and colleagues. Every time one of them buys a seat to the webinar, you earn a 50% commission for simply sharing a link, helping them repair their credit, and introducing them to the affiliate program so they can make money too. Pretty cool, huh? So don't wait another second. Go sign up for the webinar at crackingthecode.pro and find out what the lenders don't want you to know.